I just sent a buttload of money to a dude I've never met, even spoke to, and now I'm going to wait and see if a car turns up. Fingers crossed. Yeah, that is right, you heard me correct. I've just sent some money over. That was a bottom tightening moment. I got the little man with me, and yeah, we're hoping the car is going to turn up.
£3,000.
Stop telling how much. Anyway, so we're on the lookout for a transporter of some sort with a car on it. I'm not going to let you know what car it is just yet. Yeah, so we can track it coming along the road. Did it through anyvan.com. Paid him some money. Said, can you pick it up from there? Drop it off here. Bish bash bosh. Send it tracking. We're watching it live on the app. And it should be coming around the corner any minute. I'm pretty excited. See what we brought. It needs work. It does need work. But never mind. All good fun. There it is. Coming on just on a trailer. There it is. Yeah. There it is. It does. There it is. We're chasing it. We're chasing it. We're running. We're running. Stay there, boys. Look at it. Let's do a quick little tour. Got a bit of.
It's ripping off with little extras on it.
We got a hole in the light. We've got to see. We've got a bit of drama here.
Score.
Nothing too major. A little bit of drama there. We don't worry about that. We don't worry about that. We won't look at the roof. And it did start in the end, and it moves. Uh-oh, there's smoke coming out from under the bonnet stuff. And here it is. Yeah, I think we've got some smoke, so I'll turn the video off and we'll investigate that. Okay, so it's the next day. Reality's sunk in a little bit after all the excitement yesterday of getting stuck into it, giving it a bit of a wash, getting it dropped off. It was good fun. It was good fun. The kids enjoyed it as well. Definitely built some memories that will stick with me and the kids, which is priceless, of course. However, yeah, as I say, reality's sunk in a little bit. It's way, way worse than I thought it was going to be. It's definitely a bigger project than I was anticipating. I can't even drive it yet. The steam, the smoke coming out of the engine bay. I think it's just burning off some oil. I hope it is, but we'll have a look at it. But yeah, we'll kind of see how it pans out. You know, if you guys want to give some advice, spur me on a little bit. You know, you see all your influencers, idols and all that, having the daily, having the project car, having the motorbike, and you think, oh, I want a piece of that. But truth is, I ain't a rich man at all. It took me a long time to save up the amount that I had for it and run my car and the bike. I had to sell things I didn't want to, work overtime, go without for years. And I achieved what I wanted to do. But I mean, you've got to have deep pockets, man. These guys that do it and do it properly, I don't know where they get the cash from, but you know, we're a family with a house and mortgage, all bills to pay. So I'm trying to do it on the low-key budget styley, and yeah, after sticking some insurance on that, running insurance on 2 cars, taxing 2 cars, I mean, dude, and then you start thinking, oh, it's going to need paint, it's going to need this, going to need that. But anyway, we're not going to be on the negative side of things, but it's just that after the initial excitement, it has sunk in a little bit. we'll see how we get on. But yeah, some encouragement from you guys would be welcome, just to get through it. I'll see how far I get with it. I'll do what I can. I want to save the car. I have a passion for these Mark III Astras. Hopefully some of you guys do as well. It's from, I had one when I was younger, modified it, took it to all the shows, that sort of thing. I just want to make a GSI, full GSI spec out of it. See how we go. But yeah, if you're thinking about doing it, you just got to be brave and just be prepared for it to be a lot more work than you anticipate. But anyway, we'll keep you updated with what we do to it. We're going to do little bits and bobs to begin with, and then some bigger bits, some body work. And anyway, sat there, look, I've just pulled up, having a moment in the car, just thinking, what have I done? But anyway, it's all good fun. We are car people, we are car fans, like the channel is called. So stay tuned for updates, and yeah, join me on this journey. But peace up, A-Town, let's go. Boop.